Been a while since I visited the western region. Today we are making a trip to the western region with our car. It's gonna be a long hour drive. I think they say it's how many hours? I'm not sure. Uncle Sam, how long is our trip gonna be?
It's gonna be about 4 or 5 hours to Takrady.
Okay.
And then we do the following day. We're going to do Axim. That's another 2 to 3 hours, hopefully.
I made it to Maaha Beach Resort nicely, and I am here with family. They are over there, but like it's nice. My first time here, and I'm impressed. Like really impressed. I cannot wait to show you around and show you what they have to offer. Like I love it already. I love the experience. I mean, there's no experience so far, but like I love the view and everything I've come to see so far. So I hope you get to enjoy this experience with me, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know how we do it. It's day one. I think we'll spend 2 or 3 days here, so let's see how it goes.
The twin bedroom. These are the deluxe room, standard room. I was saying this is how it started Maaha Beach Resort, and later the can we complete everything with the raffia state. And that's why this place is called Maaha Beach Resort. The name of it, the raffia steak in Nzema is called Manga. And you say Maaha Beach Resort. It's not like good afternoon as a greeting. Yes. So it's very common here. When you go to Inzulezo, it's very common there. And here,
Hey! What don't I like about this place? I don't know yet, but then keep watching, I'll tell you more. Good morning. It feels so good waking up to this bright sunny Monday morning. So I find myself at Maaha Beach Resort, and I'm on vacation, so I was supposed to be vlogging, but because I have love for you watching this video right now, sorry guys, I'm hungry. It's breakfast time, but then I just want to vlog before I go eat. So yes, but let's come back to what I was saying. Because of the love I have for you, I've woken up, decided to vlog my experience, show you around before going to eat. So where do we start? This place is very eco-friendly. There are so many things to do here. There's a tennis court. Like, look at the tennis court. There's also 3 pools here that you can choose to swim in any of them.
Excellent. You know, if I could stay a little longer, that would be nice. But to get a chance to experience all the village life around here, which I haven't gotten a chance to do so.
But what have you enjoyed about this place?
The calmness, there's some kind of peace to it being here. You know, what do you think, Sam?
Yeah, I agree. The area is so pristine, unadulterated, you know, and it's a place that we have to know that all the action does not always have to be in Accra. There are places other than Accra, like here. You know, it's fantastic. The people are very, very nice, and we're looking forward to spending more time in this area. You know, yeah. So
Enjoy your stay.
thank you very much. I like that.
So this is a 3-bedroom and it comes with all of this. If you book, this is what you're gonna get. Alright, so we're about to see the presidential and what's your expectation?
I think it's going to be grand and beautiful and presidential.
Yeah,
What about
it's
you?
gonna be all presidential. That's what we expect, and that's what we're gonna see.
Can't wait to see it.
This is room number 3 actually, yes. It comes with a little balcony. And let's see what you can see from this balcony. You have all this view to yourself. All of this. Ooh. That's why it's not really bright, but still, I believe you guys can still see. So this is the washroom. We have this. Let's check out. There should be lights, yes. Oh yes, and there the light is. Ooh, and there's a jacuzzi. Oh, I see balloons. Balloons. How much is this room? $250. Why? Oh.
You enjoy all this, you can have it.
Can I pay $500? I mean, it's too nice to be paying $250. Yeah, because I can just sit here. Bam. After a long day walk, it's time for me to shower, you know. Yeah. But let's go, like, guys. I think my skin is changing. I'm glowing now, you know. But this is what I love about Maaha Beach. Everything looks fresh, natural. And this is where you have to shower before you go swimming. And let's go. Ooh. Okay. Now you open. Oh, a big good. Now it's time for me to swim. So I need to be careful before I slip and fall. But guys, my stay here has been very beautiful. what do I like about this place? I like the fact that it is eco-friendly. They have these amazing coconut trees everywhere that tend to provide shade, at the same time serve as a I mean, what am I even saying? But like, what I'm saying is my stay at the Maaha Beach Resort, of course this is where I am, Maaha Beach Resort, has been very good, very great. I love the space here, I love everything here. What do I love specifically? It is the coconut tree that they keep telling you beware of falling coconut. 2 coconuts fell in front of me, but then it's part of nature, right? But on the real, what I like about this place is the fact that they've used environmental friendly materials to build this place, from the tiles on the floor to the cabins around to the various rooms. I mean, everything is great. Even the reception, look behind me, look at that. So all these things, like, it has made this place very, very eco-friendly. It feels nice whenever you visit, when it feels nice to be around and, you know, spend the vibe here. I will come back. It's up to you if you want to come back, but I'll recommend that you come here, visit, tell me what you think about this place, and share your experience with us. If you've also visited as well, please let me know what you think about this place. But I feel for it to be a Ghanaian owned and to be very eco-friendly like this, I think it's a good idea. The owner in charge has done a good job. I'll commend him for that. Keep it up. This is somewhere I love, and I cannot wait to come back. And I'm asking you to also visit and tell me what you think of this place.